Aviation Enthusiast 2020 here, and in this video we have the Gemini jets 1:400 scale Delta Airbus A321. Once again. So let's take a look at the box. On the front of the box you can see it's got the Gemini jets logo, a Airbus A321 picture, and the Delta logo and Airbus A321 there. 1:400 die-cast model. Look inside. On the bottom of the model, we have again Gemini jets. Then that stuff, which isn't really important. On the side, we have another Gemini jets. And we have a picture of the Airbus A321. On the back, we have another Gemini jets logo, and that. And that's exactly the same as that side. And on the back, we have a nice picture of the plane flying. Bunch more writing, which no one really cares about. Made in China, so yeah. So this is a 2017 model. So let's actually have a look at the actual aircraft. I thought the Airbus A320 was going to be a bit longer, about that wide, but it's not. It's really tiny. So at the front you have, let's try and get it into focus. There we go. Lots of decals, if my camera can actually behave itself. Let's try out here. Yeah, it's just like loads of tiny little details which the average normal person wouldn't be able to do. Gemini jets has managed to do it. Like registration there, if it's going to zoom in. Then on the other side, we have pretty much exactly the same. One thing I found out with Gemini jets though is that the wings like to come off, but you can pretty much just glue it in it and you wouldn't tell that it's broke. Bottom, you've got wheels. If this is even going to focus. Let's try sideways to see if that helps. So are you going to focus? There you go. Yeah, you can see it's got tiny little Gemini jet logo by my thumb there. Delta APU opening, and on the top it's pretty boring. Yeah, they've taken the time to actually put in the antennas, three antennas. You got one at the front, one there, and another one there. The registration is November 302 Delta November. This video is probably really rubbish because I haven't done it in like half a year, so hopefully the next video that will come out will be a little bit more structured and better than the rest, since everyone's probably in quarantine, in isolation now. They're probably all, I'll probably have a lot more time to do stuff. So until the next video, goodbye.